What if I told you this gold 1969 Chevelle isn't just a muscle car, it's a $149,900 time machine powered by a legendary big block V8. Watch this! What's up everyone? Subscribe to my channel and buckle up, because today we're taking a close look at one of the most iconic American muscle cars ever built, a breathtaking 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle that's been restored to an incredible standard and finished in a stunning gold and black combination that turns heads from every angle. The moment this Chevelle comes into view, you immediately understand why the 1969 model year remains one of the most sought-after muscle cars in automotive history. The aggressive stance, the long sculpted hood, the wide body lines, and the unmistakable presence create a machine that looks just as intimidating today as it did more than 5 decades ago. This particular example isn't just another classic Chevelle. It's the result of a meticulous frame-off restoration where no expense was spared. Every detail was carefully addressed to create a car that looks like it belongs on the showroom floor, while maintaining the raw character that made the Chevelle a legend. Finished in gorgeous gold exterior paint and complemented by a black vinyl hardtop, this muscle car achieves the perfect balance between elegance and aggression. As light reflects across the body panels, every curve and contour comes alive. The polished chrome trim shines brilliantly against the gold paint, creating a premium appearance that instantly captures attention. Moving toward the front, the iconic dual headlight setup gives this Chevelle an unmistakable face. It's bold, confident, and instantly recognizable. The factory-style badging remains true to the car's heritage, while the polished details throughout the exterior demonstrate the level of craftsmanship invested during the restoration. Then there are the wheels. The classic Cragar wheels wrapped in BFGoodrich Radial T tires complete the look perfectly. They provide that authentic muscle car stance enthusiasts love while enhancing the overall visual appeal. From every angle, this Chevelle looks ready to dominate both the show field and the open road. But as beautiful as the exterior may be, the real magic begins when you lift the hood. Nestled beneath that massive hood sits a legendary GM 96 cubic inch big block V8 engine. This isn't just an engine, it's a symbol of the golden era of American horsepower. The 396 has earned its reputation through decades of performance, delivering the kind of torque and sound that modern vehicles simply cannot replicate. Feeding this big block beast is a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, helping deliver the fuel and air mixture needed to unleash serious performance. Every press of the accelerator reminds you that this machine was built during an era when horsepower ruled the streets. Imagine turning the key, the engine fires to life. The deep rumble from the exhaust immediately fills the air. Every pulse from the big block sends vibrations through the chassis, creating an experience that goes far beyond transportation. This is emotion, this is history, this is pure American muscle. Power is transferred through one of the most respected transmissions ever installed in a muscle car, the legendary Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. Enthusiasts know exactly why this gearbox remains so desirable. Every shift feels mechanical, precise, and deeply engaging. Behind the transmission sits a 12-bolt rear end equipped with Posi-Traction and aggressive 3.73 gears. This setup allows the engine to put power down effectively while delivering exhilarating acceleration whenever the driver decides to unleash the full potential of the big block V8. Yet, despite its impressive performance credentials, this Chevelle remains remarkably enjoyable to drive. Power steering provides effortless control, making cruising through town comfortable and enjoyable. Meanwhile, power brakes featuring front disc brakes deliver confidence and stopping power that help make this classic muscle machine feel more manageable on modern roads. Step inside and you'll discover an interior that perfectly complements the exterior restoration. The black vinyl upholstery presents beautifully throughout the cabin. The front bucket seats offer the classic muscle car driving position enthusiasts crave, while the rear bench seat provides room for passengers to join the experience. The center console serves as the centerpiece of the cabin, housing the iconic 4-speed shifter that reminds you this machine was built for drivers who appreciate true engagement behind the wheel. Ahead of the driver sits a factory-style gauge cluster that maintains the authentic appearance of the original design. The classic 3-spoke steering wheel feels exactly right in your hands, connecting you directly to one of Chevrolet's most celebrated creations. Even the factory-style aftermarket radio blends seamlessly into the dashboard, preserving the period-correct appearance while enhancing usability. As impressive as the visible portions of this Chevelle may be, some of the most important details are found underneath. The underside reflects the same commitment to quality evident throughout the entire restoration. The painted frame and floorboards present beautifully, showcasing the benefits of a proper frame-off build. A new fuel tank ensures reliability, while new fuel lines and brake lines provide additional peace of mind. Every component beneath the car demonstrates the attention to detail that separates average restorations from exceptional ones. Then there's the exhaust system, freshly installed and tuned to perfection. It produces the unmistakable soundtrack that muscle car enthusiasts dream about. It's deep, it's aggressive, it's powerful, and every time the throttle opens, it reminds everyone nearby exactly why the golden age of American performance remains so beloved. The finished trunk further highlights the level of craftsmanship invested in this restoration. Even areas often overlooked have been completed to a high standard, proving that this build was approached with pride and dedication. Today, finding a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle restored to this level is becoming increasingly difficult. Collectors understand the significance of these cars, and demand continues to remain strong for examples that combine exceptional restoration quality with desirable big block power. With an asking price of $149,900, this Chevelle represents far more than just a classic vehicle. It's a piece of automotive history, a rolling work of art, and a celebration of everything enthusiasts love about American muscle cars. From its stunning gold exterior and black vinyl roof to its legendary 396 big block V8, Muncie 4-speed transmission, Posi-Traction rear end, and beautifully restored interior, every inch of this machine tells a story of performance, craftsmanship, and timeless design. This isn't simply a car, it's a symbol of an era when horsepower mattered, styling was bold, and every drive felt like an event. And more than 50 years later, this magnificent 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle continues to prove why true legends never fade.